Well, let's start InDesign. Down on my dock I see InDesign. If you don't see InDesign on your dock, you can always go up to the spotlight and just start typing in InDesign, and Spotlight should be able to find the program. You can double click here. But since I have it on my dock, I'm going to click on it from the dock and start it at that location. And we have the little bar that comes up that tells us that it is initializing InDesign as it's going through registering the various components that are out there. That may take some time on your computer depending upon how frequently the InDesign program starts up, or it may go lightning fast. Seems to be going relatively slow today. Once we start up InDesign, this window may or may not show up. There's a little box down here that says don't show again. And some well-meaning student may have clicked on that, basically saying, I don't ever want to see this window again. If you don't see the window, that's not a big problem. Don't worry about it. I'm actually going to go and click on the red closure box and get rid of that particular box. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to reset my workspace. I currently have something called Essentials selected. I'm going to drop down and say Reset Essentials. By doing that is trying to set up everything so that the tools are on the right side, the Adobe palettes are on the right side, and this is just one way of setting up things so that it's easy for us to realize that we're all working on the same view when we start working in InDesign.